Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the kitchen with a set that promises to be a game-changer for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike, the GreenPan Hybrid 9.5-inch and 11-inch non-stick stainless steel frying pan set. This isn't just another set of skillets, it's the Apex Tri-ply Thermobond collection, boasting PFAS-free ceramic and a design built for serious performance and durability. Let's break down what makes these pans stand out. At the core of the GreenPan APEX line is their innovative Hybrid Thermobond technology. This is where the magic happens, fusing a diamond-infused, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface with an etched stainless steel pattern. The result, according to GreenPan, is unparalleled searing, effortless food release, and pro-grade durability that's remarkably metal utensil safe. We're talking 10 times more so than previous GreenPan coatings. This hybrid approach isn't just marketing speak. The unique Apex pattern, a raised stainless steel texture, is designed to actively direct heat across the pan surface, contributing to incredible searing power and more efficient cooking. It creates those coveted crispy edges and beautiful brown finishes we all strive for. Beneath that etched pattern lies their Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick. GreenPan emphasizes that this is PFAS-free, which is a significant selling point for many looking for healthier cooking solutions. They claim this non-stick lasts longer and performs better, making every meal a healthier and more enjoyable experience. Durability is a major focus here. The claim of being 10x more metal utensil safe means you can be a little more aggressive when cooking and cleaning without fear of scratching and damaging the non-stick surface. This collection is clearly built for the rigors of everyday use. Underneath the hybrid surface, the pans feature a tri-ply stainless steel construction. This means 2 layers of stainless steel sandwich a powerful aluminum core. This construction is known for its excellent heat conductivity, ensuring quick and even heating across the entire pan. This is crucial for achieving consistent results, preventing hot spots, and enabling that beautiful browning. This particular set comes with 2 essential sizes. A 9.5-inch frying pan, perfect for smaller portions, eggs, or searing a single piece of fish, and an 11-inch frying pan, which is your workhorse for everything from stir-fries to cooking for a family. The versatility of these pans is impressive. They are oven and broiler safe up to a staggering 850 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can easily transfer your creation from the stovetop to the oven for finishing or baking. And for all you induction users, rest assured these are optimized for all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. Cleanup is often a concern with non-stick cookware, but GreenPan addresses this head-on. These pans are not only wipe clean friendly but also dishwasher safe, offering a convenient way to tackle post-meal cleaning. Little details make a big difference, and GreenPan has thought of them here. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles are riveted for stability and aim to provide maximum comfort and a secure grip. And those chip-free pouring rims? They're designed to make every pour, whether it's sauce or pan juices, perfectly controlled and mess-free. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Hybrid Thermobond technology with its diamond-infused ceramic non-stick and etched stainless steel pattern is a compelling innovation. It offers the promise of both excellent non-stick performance and superior durability, which can be a hard balance to strike. The PFAS-free aspect is a significant plus for health-conscious consumers. The tri-ply construction ensures excellent heat distribution, and the high oven-safe temperature is a testament to their robust build. The inclusion of 2 versatile pan sizes and dishwasher safety further enhances their appeal. On the flip side, while the metal utensil safety is claimed to be 10x better, it's always wise to still treat non-stick surfaces with a bit of care to maximize their lifespan. The etched stainless steel pattern, while beneficial for searing, might require a slightly more thorough cleaning than a perfectly smooth non-stick surface if food bits get lodged in the etching. The price point for premium cookware like this can also be a consideration for some budget-minded shoppers. In conclusion, the GreenPan APEX Hybrid Tri-ply stainless steel frying pan set is a serious contender for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. It beautifully marries advanced non-stick technology with the robust performance of stainless steel. If you're seeking durable, versatile, and healthier cookware that can handle everything from a quick weeknight meal to more ambitious culinary projects, this set is definitely worth a close look. Link in the description.